Yeah, Reverend Sister Norma Mary, our principal, and Sister Shadi Mary, and I am so privileged to be here in session meeting. My dear teachers, really, I don't want to be here because I told Sister Norma Mary I'll give a short message, a small prayer to all the teachers here. And she asked me to be here in this meeting. So I'll give you a short message on this Teachers' Day celebration. My dear teachers, as we celebrate this day, the teaching fraternity bestowed on us the talents to mold our students, inculcating values and the urge to serve society while pursuing their goals to secure a good profession. Let us ask for God's blessings to help us to be good teachers and to be a role model and to bring peace and harmony in society, being an instrument of peace, to sow love where there is hatred, to have faith where there is doubt, to pardon where there is injury, to bring joy where there is sadness, and to bring light where there is darkness. My dear teachers, we pray that may we continue to be beacons of light to enlighten our students. God bless you all. Once again, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Parents are a child's first teacher who gives them life lessons. After that comes a teacher or a guru who leads him ahead in his life. In our young ages, our teachers played a very important role in our life. They had been our role models and inspiration, and they were our parent figures outside our homes, who gave us many morals about the real world. There was a deep trust when we first held the hands of our teachers. A teacher plays a very important role in the all-round development and achievement of a student. A teacher removes the darkness from a student's mind and infuses it with knowledge and enlightenment. A good teacher never gives you answer for your questions, but help you to find the answers of your own. They are the candles which burns throughout their life to give glow for their students. The best example is our Vimla's teachers. Our teachers are something special for us. Their friendship, their motherly nature, the unconditional love and care is immeasurable for us. Dear teachers, the love, the protection and care you gave us is immense. Today, in this great occasion, I would like to thank all your efforts which you have put up for making me a better person in my life. I would also like to thank your commitment and sincere attitude which abated us to continue our education even in this virtual schooling. I would also express my gratitude for choosing this noble profession and being one of our best friends. Once again, wishing you a happy Teachers' Day.
As you all know, September 5th is celebrated as Teachers' Day, a day that coincides with the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan had said, "Teachers have the best minds in the world." Teachers hold the key to secure our future. They are the invisible hands that mold and shape our character. Teachers do not consider themselves as role models, but they are the role models of every student. Teachers not only teach their subject but also give us love and care to grow and nurture our minds. Communities and societies highly respect teachers, and they are the role models of both students and parents. Teaching is not a simple profession. It requires a lot of sacrifices, hard work, dedication, and patience. So, let me take this opportunity to thank all the teachers who are working very hard to teach us. Taking education to the next level this year has given us tough times, but our only hope was our teachers. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teachers has grown immensely. As we all know, it has been a challenging one for all of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They had supported us throughout and helped us with our online classes. They are struggling a lot to make us learn even in these situations. In these tough times, I express my gratitude to all the teachers for their hard work. I thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for their unwavering support. Thank you all for inspiring us, guiding us, and making us what we are today. A happy Teachers' Day to all our dear teachers.